A college dropout who slept on floors for food ended up creating a trillion-dollar empire that changed how humans speak. He was born to two graduate students who gave him up for adoption immediately. He grew up in a modest California home, obsessed with how things worked behind the scenes. As a child, he struggled with traditional schooling, often feeling like an outsider. He spent his youth collecting soda bottles just to earn enough money for a single meal. He walked 7 miles every Sunday night to get a free weekly meal at a local temple. He enrolled in college only to drop out after just 6 months because of the financial burden on his parents. He stayed on campus for 18 more months, sleeping on the floor of his friends' dorm rooms. He took a random calligraphy class that seemed useless at the time but would later change the world. He traveled to India in search of spiritual enlightenment, returning with a shaved head and traditional robes. His first professional job was at a gaming company where he was known for being brilliant but incredibly difficult to work with. He started a business in a cramped garage with a friend who shared his obsession for hardware. To fund their first project, he had to sell his only car, a Volkswagen bus. He envisioned a future where every single person had a personal gateway to information. At just 25 years old, he was worth over $100 million, but he wasn't satisfied. He hired a high-level executive from a massive soda company to help him scale. That same executive eventually turned the entire board of directors against him. In a shocking move that made national headlines, he was fired from the very company he founded. Publicly humiliated and devastated, he considered fleeing the industry forever. Instead, he used his loser status to start over with a brand new high-end computer firm. He also acquired a small, struggling digital animation studio that no one believed in. His animation studio released a film that revolutionized cinema, grossing $373 million worldwide. While he was winning in Hollywood, his original company was spiraling toward total bankruptcy. In a desperate Hail Mary move, his old company bought his new firm just to get him back. He took over the struggling giant for a salary of exactly $1 per year. He ruthlessly cut 70% of their products to focus on just 4 perfect machines. He launched a music device that put 1,000 songs in your pocket, selling hundreds of millions of units. He then combined a phone, an internet communicator, and a music player into one single piece of glass. This man was the master of the keynote, a visionary who demanded nothing less than perfection. He breathed life into Apple and turned the iPhone into a global phenomenon. This is the story of the man who told us to stay hungry, stay foolish. Steve Jobs.